Sneezing serves as a protective reflex for your body. Your nose contains sensitive linings that can easily become irritated. Factors like dust, pollen, or cold air often trigger this irritation. When this happens, nerves transmit signals to the brain. In response, the brain initiates a quick and forceful exhale. This action effectively clears irritants from the nasal passages. Additionally, sneezing can occur in bright light as a reflex. This reaction is genetic and passed down through generations. Importantly, sneezing is an involuntary action. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding your airways.